Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock the latte recipe in Heartopia. First, just open your collections like this, and then just tap on Gourmet Live, and then scroll down on the daily. You will see the latte recipe, this one, but you will see that this recipe is still locked. So to unlock it, make sure you already have the basic coffee recipe, like this one. You can buy this recipe from Massimo, and then next just tap on your stove like before to open the cooking menu like this, and then next just select this recipe, and after that just replace two coffee ingredients with milk like this, and when you're done just tap on start cooking. And okay, like this, once the cooking is finished, the latte recipe will be unlocked in your collections. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.